Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name it is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with the bell notification on, so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. Today I am going to show you how you can make money by sending traffic to a website or article or pictures or whatever you want and you think will get the most traffic and most clicks. You will be paid in average $12 per 1,000 clicks, but you can earn more. That earning depends on the country your visitor are coming from. From some country you are getting paid more, for some country you are getting paid less. From start, what you can do is to do a little bit of research in this type of article or anything that can take a lot of clicks. For example, I type in Google top 10 the most beautiful dogs in the world. You can do anything here. Your imagination, it is your limit. When you find the perfect article, you go to shrinkme.io and create a simple and free account. This method can be a passive income for you for a long time, and passive money are the best. In this platform you can shorten the long and ugly URL of that article. Basically what this platform does, when you send people to this link to this article, first of all show some advertising. This is how they make money and this is how you get paid. No people need to buy anything, just skip the ad and go to the article they care about. More people you send to this link, more money you make. Inside this account I show you now that you can make new shortened link for unlimited time for absolutely free. When you start generate some money, I suggest you to take this business serious and pay some dude on Fiverr to create a great 1,000 word article about some topic. And after that go to influencercart.com and browse some Instagram influencer and pay them to do for you advertising. For $10 you can reach out to more than 200,000 people, so this is extremely powerful. But if you do not want to give money on advertising, go to Quora.com and Reddit.com and sing up there and start talking to millions of people in some topic. You do not have an affiliate link, so you can leave this link in many conversation. If you liked my video, please hit that like button and comment down below if you started to make some money online. Take a tour of my channel and consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, work_smart not hard. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.